Unit 6 covers a few miscellaneous topics. Por and para both mean for, but are used in different ways, so this lesson covers the differences between these two prepositions. Si clauses are used in conditional sentences, and there are three types of conditional sentences that we will cover in this lesson. This next lesson covers time and dates in Spanish. And the final lesson of this unit includes Spanish numbers and ordinal numbers. And that sums up Unit 6, which will be the shortest unit of this video series. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.